Welcome to Creative Cubs. Today, we're going to have fun learning numbers from 1 to 20 with their spellings. Let's count, learn, and enjoy together. 1, that's O-N-E. 1 is the first number we say when we start counting. 2, T-W-O. 2 is a pair like your eyes or shoes. 3 is T-H-R-E-E. 3 is the number of sides in a triangle. 4, F-O-U-R. 4 is the number of seasons in a year. Spell it out loud. 1 to 20, say it proud. 11 to 20, don't you delay. Learn the spellings the fun way. 5 is F-I-V-E. 5 fingers help us grasp and hold things. 6 is S-I-X. 6 legs of an insect make it a bug. 7 spelled S-E-V-E-N. 7 days make a whole week. 8 is E-I-G-H-T. 8 legs make a spider crawl. Spell it out loud. 1 to 20, say it proud. 11 to 20, don't you delay. Learn the spellings the fun way. 9 is N-I-N-E. 9 planets used to be in our solar system. 10 is T-E-N. 10 fingers and 10 toes help us count. 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N. 2. 11 is 1 more than 10. 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E for you. 12 months make a whole year. 13's T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13 is often seen as a lucky number. 14 F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14 days make 2 weeks. 15's F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15 minutes make a quarter of an hour. 16 S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16 is 4 times 4. Spell it out loud. 1 to 20, say it proud. Keep on learning every day. Numbers and spellings, hip hip hooray. 17 S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17 is 1 less than 18. 18's E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18 wheels are found on big trucks. 19 N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19 is just before 20. 20 W-E-N-T-Y. 20 fingers and toes make us special. Thanks for watching Creative Cubs. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe to join our fun learning family. See you next time for more creative adventures.